We're factory distributors of strapping equipment. The model that we're discussing this morning is the SP4, a manual strapper, and we're doing this instructional video for maintenance and troubleshooting. The operation controls on the machine. This is the power on-off switch. This is the length of the strapping adjustment. This is a manual reset that will pull the strapping back through the machine. And this is a feed button that will give you more length coming out of the machine. For demo, place your package on the machine with the edge at this point of this black piece. Take the strapping, bring it over the box, and put it into this slot. The machine then does everything from that point, and you have a welded strap that's a heat weld, and the strapping is under tension. The strapping is on a reel underneath the machine. It goes under this little guide. It comes up, you thread it over this guide wheel, and you take it under this little bracket, and you put it into the machine, and that's all you have to do, feed the machine. Here the machine is a knurled knob for the tension for the strapping. Turn the knob for more tension, and lock the tension with this side knob. The guide, which is located right here, takes either 3/8 or 1/2 inch strapping without any adjustment. Just put the strapping through to start the cycle going, and you get a good package. The strapping that this machine takes is either 1/2 inch or 3/8, and the strapping is a waffle finish strapping. The standard thickness is a .023, 23 gauge, and it's a strapping that's common in the industry. The machine operates on 110 single-phase current from any standard outlet, and it'll do a great job for your strap. I'm going to show you how the machine functions for the cutting and the heat welding of the strapping. This plate lifts off and exposes the heat element, which is very hot. Do not touch it. The heat element comes in to this section, and this piece here with the ribs on it lifts up. The plate comes down on it and creates the heat weld, and then it's cut. If for any reason this ribbed plate is stuck, take a screwdriver and push it down to release the stuck mechanism, and also spray some WD-40 on the inside and outside edges. That'll allow this plate to function and move up and down. Also, you'll see that there's some scrap residue that collects in the area because the strapping is being melted and being cut. Take some compressed air and just blow it out clean so that there's nothing in the way of the mechanism working. Let this plate slide forward, and the machine should be fully operational again. Put the plate back on, and make sure that the strapping is in this guide section, and close the cover. Demonstrate another strapping cycle. Here's the sequence. You take your carton, you put it next to the black plate right here. You lift up the strapping and you predetermine the length that you need by working with this control. You take the strapping and put it underneath this slot. The machine does the rest, and it tensions it and seals it and cuts it.